page 138, we have file 8, letter C. There was, there were. Look, we have a table, a box, divided in singular on the left and plural on the right. So pay attention to the symbols and the words in blue. Listen.
4.27.
There was an old TV. There wasn't a remote control.
Was there a ghost?
Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. There were only 3 guests. There weren't any more people.
Were there any windows?
Yes, there were. No, there weren't.
Okay? So, remember, there was and there were is the past of there is and there are. Remember that now we are talking about the past. In the singular, there was, affirmative. There wasn't, negative. Was there, interrogative. We use an or a in the singular, affirmative, negative, or interrogative. These are the answers. Yes, there was, no, there wasn't. And hubo, no hubo, hubo, plural. There were, affirmative. There weren't, negative. Were there, interrogative. Notice that also we use any, negative, plural, any, interrogative, plural, and these are the possible answers. There were only 3 guests. Here we have a definite number, but also you could have said there were some guests. Some also can be used in the simple past, plural, affirmative. Good job. Now, let's do some activities. Remember, hubo, no hubo, hubo. In Spanish, there isn't a difference between the singular and plural, except the noun plural. But in English, there is a clear difference between the singular and the plural. Now, let's go to the activity. On page 139, we have file 8, letter C. A. Complete the dialogues with the correct form of there was or there were. This is a dialogue between A and B. So, how many guests were there in the hotel? It's a question. Guests is plural, so you use were there. Stop the video and complete from 2 to 10. From 1 to 10. Okay, now check your answers. Letter B. Complete the sentences with there was, there were, there wasn't, or there weren't, plus a and for singular, affirmative, negative, and interrogative, or some, plural, affirmative, or any, plural, negative, and questions. You have an example. Ghosts in the haunted hotel I stayed in. Well, ghosts is plural, and the sentence is affirmative, so there were some ghosts. Stop the video, complete from 1 to 8, and then check your answers. Okay, Let's check.